All right, good afternoon. That was a cold start of our 2005 Jaguar S-Type with I believe it's a 3-liter V6. That was a proper cold start as conditions, as you can see outside our Pennsylvania location, probably barely into the 40s, rainy, not a great day, but car fired up with no issue, and we are getting it up to operating temperature. You can see the temperature gauge there. We just have the parking brake light on, which gone now. As you can see, currently just under 44,000 miles. Just show you around the inside of the cabin as we let the car get up to operating temperature. As you can see, the center infotainment screen, crystal clear. We have the radio blast in there. We have the volume and entertainment controls on the steering wheel here, very convenient and handy. We also have navigation in car. Obviously, since this car came out, the tools for navigation have become a lot more convenient. Most people just use their phone or something like that, but available in car, and as you can see, a screen, nice, clear, easy to read. Additionally, based on the current temperature outside, maybe we should go with our heated seats. So very nice to have those for both front passengers. We have auto climate controls, but of course you can set all that to your liking. Actually, guess right there it shows it's 43 degrees outside, so that was pretty close to the ballpark there. You can look around, see the wood trim here, all a nice contrast to the black leatherette. We have the shift knob there and the center console. You have your window and mirror controls, lighting. You have some controls on the stalk there to operate some things in the configurable center displays. You have the steering column adjustments, windshield wipers, which, let's flick them up. There you go, just to clear up there. That works. Other than that, pretty standard. Everything that you need to see on the inside is pretty much covered in the auction photos, and additional videos, supplemental stuff to the listing. Hopefully answers all the questions you may have, but if not, feel free to drop a comment, and we're here to help. So thanks for watching, and best of luck.